Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this 2023 BMW X5 and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before doing the installation on the headlights, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the headlight. So just apply Slip Solution to the lens, and with a clean microfiber towel, remove all the contaminants that the headlight may have. So to start the installation, just apply Slip Solution to the lens and Slip Solution to the adhesive side of the film. Now with this one, just make sure you place the film to the lens and start by aligning it to this section of the headlight first. So once you have it aligned, lift the film carefully and apply Tack Solution underneath and then on top of the film. Align it, hold it in position, and start tacking down the film with your squeegee. Once this section is secured, all we have to do is stretch the film just a little bit in order to reach this edge right here. So stretch the film until you reach to the edge. And once you have it on the edge, lift the film carefully, place it back down, and apply Tack Solution underneath and on top of the film. And just grab your squeegee and tack it down to secure it. So make sure you secure it right on the edge and it doesn't move. That way we're able to tack this whole section down. And once you secured this section here, you are going to notice that the film is lifting up. We need to bring it a little bit down so it has coverage on the bottom. So just bring it down just a little bit and apply Tack Solution underneath and on top of the film. That way we're able to start tacking down and anchoring each section. So tack it down on the bottom. You may see that you have fingers. Those fingers, we could remove them with Tack Solution and heat, but we just need to secure this lower section first. And once this lower section is secured, now we can move on with the top piece. So just tack the top piece down. And for the top piece, after you apply Tack Solution, we're going to apply heat. That way we help tack down this top layer. So grab your heat gun and your Tack Solution, spray the Tack Solution on top and on the bottom where you see the fingers. Apply heat. That way we're able to shrink the fingers down. And once you shrink the fingers, grab your squeegee and your microfiber towel and start tacking down the fingers. And you would just repeat this process until you remove all the fingers on the top and on the bottom edges. And the film should just sit flat on top here. Make sure to remove all the air bubbles and finish off the bottom. Okay, and then just clean off the film. Make sure there's no solution underneath the panel. And once you've cleared out the solution underneath the film, then we can move on to the last step, which is post-heating the entire headlight. So the last thing to do once you finish with the whole installation is to post-heat the entire headlight. So just apply Tack Solution to the lens, and we're going to use our heat gun and apply heat throughout the entire headlight. And as we're applying heat, we're going to use our microfiber towel to help it tack down and remove any solution that may be trapped underneath the headlight. And once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. Thank you for choosing Bogar Tech Design. As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you loved your product please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support from our family to yours. So that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the 2023 BMW X5. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.